Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are safe and good. So I am back with some new resource and this time I am back with the GitHub repositories related to Go. So if you are learning Go or doing some stuff with Go, so this repository will really help you out in boosting your career and you will get to learn a lot of things out of this. Okay. So for this, I will be sharing this GitHub repository. Just spend some time, follow this GitHub repository, and just build your career in the field of Go. So starting with the very first, that is Go training/training. So this is for the people who are willing to learn Go from today. Right. So this is the Alltogether GitHub repository. Learn Golang one day. So all the examples, like starting from very basic hello world to if switch cases and all the things related to Go, you will be learning from this GitHub repository. Okay, so if you are a noob, complete noob, you can follow this GitHub repository. And these are the examples, like chapters you can say. Then Golang training, all these things whatever they have listed you can just follow step by step. Okay, don't skip step by step, it will take time but you will get to learn Go one day. Okay, and all this they have total 55 lessons, so you can follow these things. And I guess there are Chinese version also, so if you are Chinese you can follow that also. So this is the thing about this GitHub repository, so follow these things and learn Go. Okay, moving forward. So this is the GitHub repository named Vladimirian, okay, whatever it is, slash learning Go. So again, source code repository for my book Learning Go Programming. So this person have his own book Learning Go Programming. You can follow that also. But this is the GitHub repository of that book, so you can just match up with that. So these are the chapters in his book. So total 12 chapters and all other stuff also. So if you're complete noob, okay, just follow these GitHub repositories and learn Go from today. Okay, and yeah, you can follow this book also, learning Go programming, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repository, that is in learn Go. Again, 100,000 plus handcrafted Go examples, learning exercises, quizzes for and tiny programs. So again, if you're learning Go from today, it will really help you out. This GitHub repository, like they have these examples, exercises to practice Go, right? And some tiny programs also to practice Go. And it is not like from the very middle, it is from the very basic, like you start writing your first program, packages, scopes, variables, all those things from the very noob thing. Okay, they have listed, so it will really help you out in learning Go. Okay, so all these things, just follow these things, arrays, loops, and all this stuff, whatever it is in Go, like pointers. So advanced levels things are also there, and also they have this book also, Go by example. So you can follow these books also, and they have this Go bootcamp course. So if I click, there has this Udemy Go bootcamp course also. So you can take this course also, but I will say don't go spend money until unless it is very necessary. Like following this GitHub repository, it will be very sufficient to learn Go. Like they have this 1,000 plus examples and exercises. So practice these things and learn Go from today, right? Moving forward, create Go app slash CLI, a complete and self-contained solution for developers of any qualification to create a production-ready project with backend. Now you have learned Go. Now you need some projects related to Go, so you can follow this project. So yeah, they have used backend with Go, then front end with JavaScript, TypeScript, and they have deployed automation using Ansible or Docker running on CLI. So all those things you can follow this tutorial and learn how to make projects using Go, right? So it will again boost your confidence and you can showcase people that you have learned Go and made a project out of it. So just follow this GitHub repo. Okay, whatever things, right, next JS, React, whatever they have used, like backend, how it is working, all that they have mentioned very like in a structured way. So follow these things. Okay, database, whatever written, cache, web proxy, whatever they have followed, just follow this tutorial and create a project out of it, and it will really boost your career. It will really boost your confidence that you are started creating projects using Go, right? So moving forward, the next exercise exercism slash Go. Now, Exercism is a already platform you can like search and learn different types of languages there. But this is the Go thing. They have this Go language also, and it is the GitHub repository of Exercism. So you can follow these things. They have also have these exercises and all those things. So it will really help you out in learning Go. The Exercism Go track, like development setup, then how to learn these things, how to do all the stuff they have mentioned in a structured way, tests, errors, benchmarks, whatever thing, right? So follow these things and learn Go with exorcism, and this whatever resources I am sharing now, this will really help you out in learning Go in free of cost. Okay, you don't have to spend money on courses and all. You can follow these things and it will be sufficient to learn Go. Okay, so moving forward to the next GitHub repo. So it is SJ Whitworth slash Go learn. Okay, now this is the GitHub repo. If you are into machine learning, right? Machine learning for Go. So if you want to do machine learning with Go, this will be very much great website, GitHub repo for you. Okay, so all those things like KD tree clustering, all those machine learning things they have mentioned, and it is using Go. So you can follow these things if you are into machine learning and want to do with Go. So just follow this GitHub repo, right? And spend some time. Whatever I'm sharing, you have to spend some time. Without spending time, you cannot learn things, right? So you have to spend some time on your own, and that will benefit you and in learning Go in your own journey, right? Moving forward, Smarty States slash Go Conway. So Go testing in the browser integrates with Go test, write variable test in Go. So if you are building something with Go, you have to test your project, or test your whatever thing you are making, right? So for that they have this GitHub repo how to do tests in Go. So again, these are the things, features, how to, they have this structured process like installation, how to start, quick start, then all those things, how to do testing in Go, right? So if you're creating some project out of it, so while testing, right, it will really help you out. So learn these things. Okay, and moving forward, so this is the GitHub repository Golang slash tools. So you will get to find tools related to Golang. So while building stuff, you need tools. So they have listed some tools related to Golang. So these are the things, selected packages, then whatever commands you can use, you can contribute to this GitHub repo also, and other stuff also, right? So if you are into Golang and building something, building some stuff around the Golang, so you can follow these things. You make use of these tools, okay, and also search this website also. You can get to know these tools, okay, and make use of these tools in your projects, and just boost your career and learn new stuff, right? So moving forward, Avelino slash Awesome Go, a curated list of awesome Go frameworks, libraries, and software. Again, frameworks, libraries, and software that are related to Go, that will really help you out if you are building with Go, and you can make use of this libraries, make use of these softwares, right? So these are the listed things. So moving forward, like things related to artificial intelligence. So if you are willing to make something in AI with Go, then these are the things. Then related to audio and music, authentication, oath, blockchain related things, bot building, build automation, command line related things, then configuration related things. So whatever tools, resources, frameworks, whatever they have listed, this is all related to Go. And if you are building with Go, these things will really help you out in your journey, in your project, in your learning stuff. So it will boost your learning curve. So just follow this GitHub repo, right? Bit says data structures and algorithms in Go. Like if you're willing to learn Go, DSA with Go, if you're doing DSA with Go, these things will really help you out. And different topics related to DSA they have listed, right? Trees, pipes, and then if you're willing to use databases and you're building with Go, then these are the things. So I'm not spoiling much. This is a very big GitHub repo, so it will take time. So it's your job to spend some time, make use of the whatever they have listed. These things will really benefit you in your development journey with Go. So these are the things. Moving forward to the GitHub next GitHub repo. Punjian/DTing article, a reference for the Go community that covers fundamentals of writing clean code. So again, in any language, you have to write clean code so that whatever you are writing, if any other developer willing to get to know your code, then they can easily understand whatever you are writing, right? So you have to write clean code. You have to learn writing clean code. So for that, they have these things like how to you can write clean code in Go. So all these things they have listed like table of contents, introduction to clean code, naming convention you have to follow, test driven development. Okay, then variable naming, cleaning functions, how to write clean functions so that other it will be very much understandable. And then other things, right? Variable scope, how to write clean code in proper scoping so that like there will be less errors and other people will get to know your code very easily, like how to declare variables, then return values, all those things, right? Basic simple things. So if you are, even if you are very great developer, very great big developers also do mistakes, right? So you have to learn clean code as much as possible, the best code you can write, so that it will be very beneficial for you to understand whatever you have written and other developer in your company or in your project you are collaborating to through, so that they can also get to know how things are working, right? So these are basic things to keep in focus while writing Go language, right? Coding in Go. So just focus things in these things, follow these things, spend some time, whatever I have shown in this GitHub repo, right? Starting from learning Go from very basic, whatever I have shown in this video, like start these GitHub repositories will really help you out, right? Starting from very noob, start how to write hello world in Go, to making projects in Go, right? To focus how to write clean code, then tools and frameworks resources related to Go, right? So if you follow all these GitHub repositories, whatever I have shared in this GitHub repo, whatever I have shared in this video, these things will really boost your career, and you can change yourself from a very noob Go developer to a very proficient and good Go developer, okay, by all these GitHub repos, right? So this video is very much helpful if you are into Go and willing to build a career in the field of Go, right? So that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please follow these GitHub repositories and build your career, change your career. And if you are getting successful, and just write in this video comment section, and that will be also a good feeling for me that yeah, someone is benefited from my video. So that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Till then, smile and be safe. I'll be back with some new video. Till then, bye.